next concepts in your chapter are absorbance and transmittance. Please observe this diagram below. This is a medium of width b. There is electromagnetic radiation which may be light is falling on this medium. It may be glass colored or transparent totally or anything. So basically you have a medium and light is incident. When light enters this medium, some part of the light will be absorbed by the medium. Now when I say the part of light is absorbed by the medium, what I actually mean to say is the molecules of the medium is absorbing a part of light. Okay, molecules of the medium are absorbing the part of light. Now, what do you mean by this absorption? The energy of the electromagnetic radiation, if that matches with the energy difference between two molecular orbitals, the energy will be absorbed. The electromagnetic radiation will be absorbed, and the remaining portion which is not absorbed will be transmitted from the medium. It will come from the opposite side. So the absorption and transmission, these are two phenomena. So I will read out the slide. The diagram below shows a beam of monochromatic radiant power P0. Okay, there is electromagnetic radiation, beam of electromagnetic radiations of power P0. The power of electromagnetic radiation is also called as intensity. So some books will refer to this P0 as I0. Okay, so basically both of them are same. P0 and I0 are same. Okay, so this P0 or I0 is the initial intensity, initial power of the electromagnetic radiation before it enters the medium. Okay, so monochromatic radiations of radiant power P0 directed at sample solution. That is the medium. Sample solution is your medium. Absorption takes place and the beam of radiation leaving the sample now has radiant power of P, or it may also be referred to as I. Now, between P and P0, which one is larger? What do you think? Kailash was ready with his answer. Very good, brilliant. So P is less than P0. Very good, Kailash. Okay. P is smaller and P0 is larger because some part of P0 was absorbed and whatever was transmitted was P. So the amount of radiation absorbed may be measured in number of ways. The first way of measurement is transmittance. It is indicated by capital T and it is the ratio of P upon P0. It is the ratio of P upon P0. Now, because P0 is larger value and P0 is smaller, P is smaller value, the value of transmittance, I will give you three options: always more than 1, always less than 1, or always 0. Please tell me what may be the right answer. Kailash, Kuraval, you people are exactly right. So, same with Shrutika, Surbhi, very good, Varun. So, the value of T will always be less than 1. Now, the second way of expressing the radiant power P is percent transmittance. It is percent T, that is 100 multiplied by T, or in other ways P upon P0 multiplied by 100. Now, do you agree that the value of P upon P0 will be always less than 100? Do you agree with that? Percent transmittance will be always less than 100. लॉजिकली राइट है. अगर ट्रांसमिटेंस हमेशा लेस देन 1 होगा तो परसेंट ट्रांसमिटेंस ऑलवेज लेस देन 100 होगा. Now, the third and important way of expressing this, the radiant power of the beam leaving. हम कौन से बीम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? The beam that is leaving, उसका रेडियंट पावर मेजर करते हैं एब्जॉर्बेंस में, एंड दिस इज प्रोबेबली द मोस्ट पॉपुलर वे ऑफ मेजरिंग इट. So it will be absorbance log to the base 10 of P0 upon P. This is how it is expressed mathematically. This is the way it is expressed mathematically. Now, if you will see properly, P divided by P0 is T. So what is P0 upon P is equal to inverse of T? Those who have not see, P upon P0 is T. This is definition of transmittance. This is definition of transmittance. So what is P0 divided by P is equal to? It has to be inverse of T, is 1 by T. So see, there you go. So absorbance is equal to log to the base 10 1 upon T. Now we can express the similar thing in terms of percentage. Okay. Now परसेंट टी देखो अब मैं बताता हूँ क्या है परसेंट टी is equal to 100 multiplied by t. So t will be equal to, can I say percent t upon 100? So 1 by t will be equal to, so 1 by t is equal to, can anybody tell me what is 1 by t here equal to? Yes, brilliant. परसेंट टी. सो देखो ये 1 बाई टी इधर है तो ये जो है 100 अपॉन परसेंट टी. तो ये देखो हमने यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. इट इज ए इज इक्वल टू log to the base 10 100 divided by percent t. Now what is log to the base 10 of 100? What is log to the 10 of 100? Very good, Kailash. It is 2. Okay, I hope you know this logic. Log of a divided by b is equal to a minus log b. Similarly here it will become log 100 minus log of percent t. So this is the fourth formula for calculating absorbance. देखो, there is a table given at the bottom of it. I will try to magnify the table. On upper side you have transmittance, on lower side you will have absorbance. The percent transmittance is between 0 to 100. It is between 0 to 100, I repeat. Now, if you see the absorbance is on higher side it is 2, on lower side it is 0. Why it is 2 at highest? Because when percent transmittance is 0, this value will be irrelevant. This entire thing will be irrelevant. That means the absorbance value will be 2. That's why it has got highest value as 2. When percent transmittance is 0, the absorbance is 2. Similarly, on right hand side, you have, there is transmittance is 100%. Percent transmittance is 100%. You will get 100. So log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. So 2 minus 2, it will become 0. So absorbance is 0. Has everyone understood this scale? Please tell me. Kailash? Yes, Kailash has understood. Very good. Anyone having definition, absorbance, transmittance, and this particular scale? Now, let us see on this note in the box. So, if all the light passes through a solution without any absorption, the absorbance is 0 and the percent transmittance is 100%. If all the light is absorbed, then percent transmittance is 0 and absorption is infinite. Kailash has asked it out. A is inversely proportional to transmittance. This is very common misinterpretation, because you see this absorbance is inversely proportional to transmittance. Do not forget there is log term. Don't forget there is a log term. If you want to remove the log sign and come up with the linear, hey, where is the pointer? And come up with the linear relationship. It can never be a linear relationship because it will be 1 upon t. I'm related to this. If this is 2, so 1 upon t will be 10 raised to a. Do you agree with me, Kailash? Directly proportional or inversely proportional relationship. This is common mistake when I was in B Farm. I used to think they are inverse relationship. Yes, they are opposite to each other, no doubt. They are opposite. जैसे ट्रांसमिटेंस बढ़ते जाएगा, absorbance कम होते जाएगा, but the relationship is not linear. I think I should proceed now. The concept of absorbance and transmittance is clear to you.